Welcome back to Bike World, where we break down machines in a real, honest way. Today's video is a little different because we're stepping into the luxury electric SUV world with the 2026 Cadillac Vistiq. This is Cadillac's new 3-row electric SUV, designed for people who want premium comfort, strong performance, and modern technology without going all the way up to a massive Escalade IQ. What the 2026 Cadillac Vistiq is all about. The Cadillac Vistiq sits perfectly between the Lyriq and the Escalade IQ. It's aimed at families and luxury buyers who want space, style, and electric power in one balanced package. Built on GM's Ultium EV platform, the Vistiq is not just about being electric, it's about delivering a full luxury experience that still feels practical for everyday use. Exterior design and first impressions. From the outside, the Vistiq looks modern, sharp, and very Cadillac. The front features slim vertical LED lights with a bold grille design that gives it a confident road presence. The body lines are clean, not overly aggressive, but still muscular enough to look premium. This SUV doesn't scream for attention, but when it passes by, you know it's something special. The proportions are well balanced, making it look upscale without being bulky. Platform and build quality. The Vistiq is built on GM's advanced Ultium platform, which means better battery packaging, improved weight distribution, and a strong chassis. On the road, this translates to a solid, planted feel. Doors feel heavy, panels feel tight, and overall build quality matches what you'd expect from a luxury brand like Cadillac. Electric powertrain and performance. The 2026 Cadillac Vistiq comes with a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup. Power delivery is smooth and instant, exactly what you want from an electric SUV. Acceleration is effortless, especially in city driving and highway merging. This isn't a performance SUV made for racing, but it still feels quick and confident. The instant torque makes it easy to overtake traffic, and the AWD system helps keep everything stable in different road conditions. Driving feel and ride comfort. One of the strongest points of the Vistiq is ride comfort. Cadillac has clearly tuned this SUV for smoothness. Bumps, rough roads, and long highway drives feel relaxed and quiet. Steering is light but accurate, making the Vistiq easy to handle despite its size. It's the kind of SUV you can drive for hours without feeling tired, which is exactly what luxury buyers want. Battery, charging, and range. Cadillac is targeting an estimated driving range of around 300 miles on a full charge. That makes the Vistiq very usable for daily driving as well as long road trips. Fast charging support allows you to add significant range in a short time at DC fast chargers. Home charging overnight is also easy, making day-to-day ownership stress-free. Interior design and cabin space. Step inside the Vistiq and you immediately feel the luxury. The cabin is spacious, clean, and modern. Premium materials are used throughout, from soft touch surfaces to high-quality trims. The 3-row layout offers plenty of room for families. The first and second rows are especially comfortable, while the third row is usable for adults on shorter trips and perfect for kids. Technology and digital experience. Technology is a big highlight in the 2026 Cadillac Vistiq. A massive, curved digital display dominates the dashboard, combining the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless screen. The system is responsive, easy to use, and packed with features like navigation, smartphone connectivity, and vehicle settings. Cadillac's Super Cruise hands-free driving system is also available, making highway driving more relaxed and futuristic. Safety and driver assistance. Cadillac has equipped the Vistiq with a full suite of advanced safety features. These include automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and more. Super Cruise takes safety and convenience to the next level by allowing hands-free driving on compatible highways, which is a big plus for long-distance travel. Practicality and everyday use. Despite being a luxury SUV, the Vistiq is very practical. Cargo space is generous, especially when the third row is folded down. Storage compartments are well thought out, making it easy to carry groceries, luggage, or family gear. This is the kind of electric SUV that fits naturally into daily life without feeling complicated. Price and U.S. market position. In the U.S. market, the 2026 Cadillac Vistiq is expected to start around $75,000, depending on trim and options. This puts it directly in competition with luxury electric SUVs from brands like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Audi. Considering the space, technology, comfort, and Cadillac's premium feel, the pricing feels competitive and fair for what you're getting. Who should buy the Cadillac Vistiq? The Vistiq is perfect for buyers who want a luxury electric SUV that's not too big and not too small. It's ideal for families, professionals, and anyone looking to move into an electric vehicle without sacrificing comfort or prestige. The 2026 Cadillac Vistiq shows how serious Cadillac is about the electric future. It blends luxury, technology, comfort, and electric performance into one well-rounded package. It's not trying to be the flashiest or the fastest, it's trying to be the smartest choice in the luxury electric SUV segment, and in many ways, it succeeds. This is Bike World, and if you're interested in honest reviews of future-ready machines, the Cadillac Vistiq is definitely one to watch.